Sorry I pissed you off, hurt your empty heart, I didn't mean to, I swear to God. See, you're still everything and nothing at all, just a messed up kid that just fucking lost. Can't believe in anything because the last time I did it was love. Wasn't love, it wasn't anything at all. I'm still left out here in the cold, no it's nothing new, I'm used to being used, I'm burning out now cause, well, I have nothing to prove, nothing to offer. So if I ever hear about love again, I'll know there's no fucking way it's real. Oh, thought I was going the other way with that. Maybe they truly love if I have nothing to give. No, I'd just be a new project, something they wanna fix. Baby bird with a broken wing, maybe they just wanna nurse me back to health and hear me sing once they set me free. Maybe I'm never gonna believe, because every time I do, I know there's a chance, even if it's small, even if it don't really exist. There's a chance at this, and I can't hurt anyone else, and you're the only one I care about. See me with you're what I wanted, all I ever did. But you took what you could get and threw away what was left, not because I hurt you, just because you didn't want to anymore. Hell, baby, you don't even know the reason, but I'm so positive you'll never change the way you see things. When it happened on a whim, just reached out, grabbed another limb. Yeah, I'm not doing this, I'm not gonna listen to you say I'm whimsy, wishful thinking, because I'm not even daydreaming. I'm just out loud thinking about how nothing can turn into something the same way perfect can become a disaster. You never know tomorrow what the heart will be after. You know where I stand and know I'm right here, and one day if it holds value, I'm too weak to say, baby, fuck you.